Hey, it's Alli from Glamour Glow Academy. Let's talk about props in maternity use. And a lot of questions about this from people in my workshops, and they want to know, how many dresses do I own? Okay, so honestly, I own a lot of maternity dresses, but I didn't start off that way. I had 3. And you don't need a lot to start off with, because who has that money to be able to invest in $5,000 worth of dresses? And so what I started with was a simple band across the front and a long flowing opening down to the feet. It was beautiful, it was simple, it was comfortable, it fit people that were small to people that were larger. It was a great investment. I had a black dress, and I can't remember, I think maybe I had something in beige. So they kind of were universal, very neutral. I could use them anywhere. It's just through the years that I've been able to invest in different gowns and different looks, but it's not needed to start. Also, if you're starting out, invest in a couple of dresses, but look to your own closet and your client's closet for things that they may be able to have, such as cardigans that open or sweaters. You can ask for maxi dresses or sundresses. You may have some, your client might have some, because they're very comfortable and they look beautiful for maternity wear. You can look for scarves, jeans, tank tops, all these type of things that your client or you might even have in your own closet that you can use. And you don't need to invest in a lot to initially start on that. Things like tube tops or belly bands you can put over the breasts so that they show the tummy. These are great things that are usually at a lower price point for you. Props are great. For maternity, I would call props more maybe gowns or jewelry. You don't want it to overwhelm the client, so you don't want a lot to go on. If you're going to use things like silk for tossing or throwing, that's great, but then don't pair it with a bouquet of flowers and a big headpiece. It's just, there's too much going on. You want to keep it simple so that you're still focused in on your client and the beauty of the belly. If you enjoyed this tip, I'd love to see you at glamourglowacademy.com, where we have many more things for you to learn and grow as a photographer.